Hello, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage your shipping on Shopify. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first, go ahead and log in your Shopify account and make sure you are in admin mode. To do that, go over to your search bar like this and then edit out this section and then replace it with admin, just like so. And then it will automatically log into admin.shopify.com. Okay, so first, if you just created your shop, you might want to add some products on your shop. So for example, I added this sample t-shirts right here before I can edit my shipping. Okay, so to edit your shipping, just go over to settings at the lower left corner. And then here, just go over to the shipping and delivery. And now you can set up your shipping like this. So I'm going to show you some example on how you can set up your own shipping. So for example, here on the shipping rates, you can click on this and then you can add your shipping. So for example, my domestic country is this one, and then you can add rate to your local shipping. So for example, my shipping is like this. Rate name should be standard like this, and then hit done. And as you can see, it's automatically registered there. And in the international, as you can see, the price is way above than the standard version. Or if you want, you can still register your own rates like this, and then you can customize your own rates. For example, I'm gonna put 500 here, and then hit done again. And once you've done that, you can just save this one like this. Okay, so we now have a shipping standards for our products. Now just go back to your shipping and delivery again. And here you can custom your shipping rates depending on your products. So for example, I will rename this one t-shirts like this. And then you can add your products that you want to customize the shipping. So in my case, I just have these two. So I'm just going to select these two and then hit done. And then for the location, you can just create zone if you want. So for example, I'm going to create my local shipping. So let's just put the zone name first. So I'll put local and then the country, which is my country, and then hit done. And then for the international, as you can see, it says not covered by your shipping zone. You can just create this and then hit international like this, and then just rename your zone international or to whatever you prefer if you like. And it says that no rates customer in this zone won't be able to complete the checkout, so you can just customize the rate like this. And then, of course, put the rate name and then the pricing like this. And hit done. And for the international, as we did as before, just add the rate and then standard rate. And here, maybe double it up or triple it up if you want. Just like that. And once that is all done, you can just go and save your shipping rate per product. Okay, once you done that, and in this side, if you already set up your delivery dates, you can do that. So in here, local delivery, you can just set this up if you want. We're gonna select my local delivery like this, and then you can enter your address here, and then the minimum price of the order. So for example, my minimum price is 1K, and then the delivery price will be 100, for example, and then you can put the delivery information here, and then just hit save like this. And if you have multiple delivery zone, you can just add it right here, and then you can, of course, put the other postal code and then the price of the, depending on your area, of course, you can fully customize that. So once you've done that, as you can see, it says offers delivery. Now, if you have physical store on your shop and you want to add that as well, you can just add it here. So for example, I'm gonna select this as my local again, usually ready for within the specific hours. If you want, you can customize this. And then of course, you can customize the instructions to your local shop like that. So you can just hit save and go back. And as you can see, we already have the local delivery and the local pickup. Now you can also save the packages like this by adding the packages on like this, and then you can of course customize this if you want. Now, if you want to see your shipping details, just go ahead and click this edit template like this. But just to show you the quick preview of my template, you can just hit this preview template like this, and then it will take you to this different page. And as you can see, it will show you the shipping details of your products. Now, depending on your store name, it will show it like this. And then, of course, the order number and everything else, you can see it all here. So there you have it. You've successfully set up your shipping on Shopify. I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.